Well, hey y'all, it's Debbie, your girl with pearls, and today I'm bringing you a really simple Valentine idea. Now you're all gonna laugh, but hey, my family said I think you should show everybody. So I'm showing you. I do this for every season. I find some really pretty cards that I like and I just put them in frames. Whoops, I'm holding that upside down now, aren't I? Anywho, make sure you clean your glass and let it dry really well because if you put the cards in and it's still damp, it will make a mark. So I clean the glass and then I let it sit there and air dry for a bit before I put the cards in. And then you can just take your card and measure it using the glass and cut it out if you need to, if it's not the right size, and put it in the frame. It's that simple, but look at how cute that is. I mean, if you found something like that at a decor store or something, you probably paid $12, $14 for it. And I did it for 50 cents. That's all the card cost me at Dollar Tree, and I had the frame. And this was a really cute card. The love and the little heart is sparkly, so I used a sparkly gold frame. And look at how cute that is. I just think they're adorbs. So ladies, when you're out and about shopping, see if you can find yourself a couple of cute cards. And you know what? I had these frames around the house. You don't even have to buy frames. And if you don't have frames, you can always pick them up at the dollar store for $1, believe it or not. So I know it's simple, but I hope you loved it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And I hope you'll stay tuned for my Valentine's series. And if you enjoy DIYs, decorating, crafting, and cooking, all things home, I hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel because those are the things that I'm passionate about and love to share. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next video. God bless.